When a crime occurs without witnesses, investigators step into a complete vacuum of objective truth. The environment is chaotic, scattered with the physical fragments of an event that has already ended. To establish exactly when and how an offense took shape, investigators rely on forensic science. It acts as a strict bridge, applying rigid scientific tenets to matters of law. But the immediate threat to establishing those facts is the environment itself. The slightest mishandling of physical remnants, whether it is the degradation of biological material or the accidental contamination of a tool mark, destroys their legal viability. The first challenge for investigators is securing the location. They must shield these fragile remnants from doubt and human error, so the evidence can survive the long journey from the field to a courtroom. That journey is governed entirely by a strict procedural lifeline known as the chain of custody. This diagram shows the meticulous sequence required before an item is ever moved. Professionals identify, photograph, and package the object, feeding it into a system that tracks every subsequent transfer with time-stamped data and digital signatures. This exhaustive paperwork guarantees the sincerity and competence of the evidence. By logging exactly who held the item and where it was stored, experts eliminate the opportunity for external tampering or exploitation. Defending this continuous route from the dirt to the laboratory, and eventually to the judge, is the foundational pillar supporting the reliability of the entire criminal justice system. Once evidence clears the chain of custody, it enters the highly controlled environment of the forensic laboratory, where raw materials are prepared for intensive analysis. Biological samples are run through DNA profiling. By mapping out specific genetic markers, specialists create definitive connections between a suspect, a victim, and a crime location. When dealing with severely deteriorated skeletal remains, forensic anthropology takes over. Specialists examine structural data from the bones to determine a person's age, sex, and possible physical motives of death. This diagram illustrates fingerprint analysis. The discernible configurations on the ridges of human skin generate a completely unique biological signature for every individual. By isolating these genetic codes, the bone structures and dermal ridges, the biological and physical disciplines work together to transform anonymous remnants back into specific human identities. This view shows how ballistics experts examine mechanical evidence. When a firearm discharges, it stamps unique microscopic patterns onto bullets and casings. By identifying these delicate indications, experts calculate exact trajectories to untangle the layout of the event. The same scrutiny is applied to electronic evidence. Specialists deploy cutting-edge extraction tools to uncover hidden electronic footprints, tracking a suspect's communications and the metadata left behind on devices. The ultimate purpose of the laboratory is synthesis. Investigators combine these biological markers, mechanical tool marks, and digital traces to reverse engineer the event and construct a logical, chronological timeline of the crime. The life cycle of the evidence concludes in the judicial chamber, presented before magistrates and committees. But raw scientific data requires a final human element to be understood: the expert witness. Armed with profound knowledge and intensive training, the expert witness simplifies complex laboratory findings. They translate biological and mechanical data into equitable, clearly understood opinions for those assigned to render judgment. This translation of science into law allows the court to successfully vindicate the innocent and enforce objective accountability for the guilty. Some investigations go unsettled, remaining dormant in evidence rooms and confounding jurisdictions for years. These are the cold cases. Yet, because the chain of custody preserved the physical integrity of those original items, decades-old evidence can be systematically reevaluated using modern methodology. New techniques in DNA extraction and digital tracing breathe fresh life into dead investigations, yielding answers for communities that have waited decades. Supported by the chain of custody and the constant advancement of the lab, forensic investigation ensures that the evidence collected today provides a permanent path toward a resolution, regardless of how much time passes.